Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear devotees, today let us know about the significance of Pancha Mahayagna. Our Shastra very clearly says that each and every one, especially every householder, should perform Pancha Mahayagna every day. Here, Pancha Mahayagna means 5 sacred, selfless work. We should do these works with an attitude of sacrifice and complete dedication. Pancha Mahayagnas are Brahma Yagna, Deva Yagna, Pitru Yagna, Manushya Yagna and Bhuta Yagna. Here, don't think that Yagna means religious sacrifice or fire sacrifice. Our Shastra very clearly says that all the good works we do with an attitude of sacrifice and complete dedication are yagnas only. So, here yagnas means all the selfless good work that we do with an attitude of sacrifice and total dedication. First one is Brahma Yagna. Here, our Shastra says Brahma means knowledge. See, in our Sanatana Hindu Dharma, there are so many sages, seers, and great men. For our Dharma, several great men, seers, and sages have contributed immensely. They have contributed for the welfare and well-being of this world. So, all of us have Brahma Runa. Here, Brahma Runa means debt towards our preceptors. To clear the debt, everyone should read our sacred scriptures every day. This is Brahma Yagna. Brahma Yagna means here Swadhyaya. By doing so, we can pay the debt to our rishis, to our sages. So Brahma Yagna is the first one. Second one is Deva Yajna. See, God realization or self realization is the ultimate goal of each and every human being. To attain this goal, first we must acquire complete inner purification, that is Purna Chitta Shuddhi. To attain this Purna Chitta Shuddhi, complete inner purification, everyone should worship God every day with unflinching devotion and implicit faith. This is Deva Yajna. Third one is Pitru Yajna. Our Upanishad says Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava. In our Sanatana Hindu Dharma, we revere our parents, our mother and father, highly revered in our Dharma. So our Shastra says, it is our primary duty to remember our parents every day with pure devotion, and we have to do good works on their name. This is Pitru Yajna. Third one is Pitru Yajna, and fourth one is Manushya Yajna. See, our Shastra says, we must do only good works, which brings punya. So, according to our Shastra, help ever, hurt never. This is the sayings of our great seers. Help ever, hurt never. So, all the selfless service to the suffering humanity is considered as the Manushya Yajna. For example, the philanthropy like charity, feeding guests and poor people, health service to the poor people, like this. These are all Manushya Yajna. And finally, Bhuta Yajna. Here Bhuta means all the living beings. So Bhuta Yajna means an offering made to all the living beings. That means we must treat all animals kindly by providing good food and shelter. We must plant trees for the protection of environment. These are all Bhuta Yajna. Here, our Shastra very, very clearly says that by doing these Pancha Mahayagnas in our life daily, we can attain Purna Chitta Shuddhi, inner purification, thereby God realization in this very birth itself. So, our Shastra categorically says that this Pancha Mahayagna, Brahma Yagna, Deva Yagna, Pitru Yagna, Manushya Yagna and Bhuta Yagna. This Pancha Mahayagna is the most essential means to God realization. So this is the significance of Pancha Mahayagna. Our Shastra categorically says that without any least discrimination, each and every human being, especially each and every householder, should perform this Pancha Mahayagna with an attitude of sacrifice and complete dedication for their fruitful life. So, this is the significance and greatness of Pancha Mahayagna, because this Pancha Mahayagna ultimately leads to Purna Chitta Shuddhi, thereby God realization or self realization. So this is the must and should for each and every human being. This is the Hitopadesham for the day. Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Narayana, Narayana, Narayana.